Hello guys, it's Steel, and back with new videos. I have this almost destroyed Technic truck right here. We're gonna see today how much we can destroy of it, throwing it on the ground and dropping it. So let me just set you guys up. Okay. Well, we broke off these pieces right here and that. Okay, see how much more damage we can get. Oh, that got destroyed. And you know, that's a lot of damage. Oh. That's getting a lot of damage. Whoa. We broke the pistons from it. This is crazy. See, and also
It's good to be against it.
He is my friend Wesley Kramer.
Hey, don't see my. Oh yeah, I have my channel.
Make sure they don't open the door, like behind the door.
Okay. I'm a maverick.
This is almost destroyed. That's gonna be hard. Ooh. This is gonna be sucky. Oh my gosh! We broke off the whole parts of the wheels. Look at this. Look at this. Boy, look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh! Just look at this. Boy, we can't do any more to that. Okay, that's all. No. That's all for today. No. Bye. See ya. No. Subscribe to this channel. Oh, I guess we can do it more. Bye.